How to group things on Google Slides. If you want to group things or objects or images on Google Slides together, so currently these three objects are individual separate objects, right? I want to group them together so that whenever I move the one, the other one also moves, right? Now what you can do is you can see this mouse cursor, just hold the left button on your mouse cursor and just drag across all this, right? So you want to make sure to at least touch a certain portion of all these images. So currently now all these three are selected. But if I just select somewhere again, they will get separated. So what I need to do is I need to drag all this like this, or what I can do is press the one of these object while holding the control key or the command key for Mac users on my keyboard. I want to select other one and select the other one. Once I've selected all three, right click on it and just click on the group button. So just select that, right click and click on the group button, and just like that, now whenever you move any one of these objects, even if you press somewhere, all of those will get moved just like that. You can see, right click on it if you want to ungroup them again and just click on ungroup. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.